People always talk about some smoke that they don't know about. I be driving with that constant way more than your mama house. All the speed doctors, we got patients who keep slowing down. Come and take a ride with us and see how we gon' run the town. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show. From the money to the cars, we gon' show you how it go. Speed doctors, that's all you need to know. Speed doctors, you can watch this shit at home. Speed doctors, we gon' give your ass a show.
10th grade, I finally start calming down a little bit. My testosterone slowing down a little bit, and I start being a little more cordial with people, and I finally made the team in 10th grade. This is in Carbondale, Illinois. So 7th, 8th, 9th grade, 10th grade, I make the team. I'm on the team, but I'm still not playing that much because all the kids from 7th, 8th, and 9th grade been in the system this whole time. So I go to Murfreesboro, the coach, shout out to Coach Murphy. He had my mom a job, had me a house, had me all the way situated, because he knew exactly what I was. His style of play was like me, from the city. And we had like 2 other like top level players. And I went to the summer camp out there. I was like all like junior college, I was all like top 10 in this big old camp when I played with that team out there in Murfreesboro. So I'm big time. But it's in a rival town. I hate that town. I hate the people there. So I'm at that school every day. They have my own house for me, pick me up, take me to school every day, had a little money in my pocket, had my mom a job. But I hated the town because I hated these people. I just hate talking about them all my life. Now I'm at school with these people my senior year, even though I feel like I could have went out of high school with this team. That's how good we were. That's how it allowed me to play. My best friend was on the Carbondale team, my guy, Will Harris. He's got a channel called Anatomy of a Fighter. He's a big YouTuber too.
Sorry, say it again.
Will Harris, Anatomy of a Fighter.
Okay, I heard you talking about him.
Yep. So my best friend, he's still in Carbondale the whole time. So even when I'm in San Diego, I used to get, because he couldn't believe it. Understand, he's the #1 player our whole time. So 7th, 8th, 9th grade, I'm not on the team. He's the #1 player on the team. And we best friends, we like this every day, and I'm not on the team. So when I go to San Diego, I finally make the team, I'm top 10 scoring. I'm cutting that article, sending it to him like, nigga, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, boy. I told you. I'm showing him we winning. I'm showing him I'm starting. I'm showing him top 10 in the city. And he loved it. So I come back, and I knew I was gonna play for that coach. I go to Murfreesboro, but he hit me every day like, bro, you gotta come to Carbondale, bro, come back. And I'm like, man, I can't take it here, man. I hate this damn school. He's like, man, just come back. Yo, yeah. What's up, D? What's the deal?
What it do?
Yeah. Like what you really was driving. And you look over them edges and them cans, you like, boy. No, it's crazy. Yeah. You look over that shoulder, you look, ah. So at nighttime you couldn't see it, but now during the day you like, what the hell?
I remember when the boys Fresh and Fit came in, they were talking about how crazy it was driving that drive, man.
Yeah.
And you really don't see it. You can't see it driving. You got to be in the passenger.
Yeah. Oh, that's all you really look, because you got to drive.
Exactly.
You try to look while you driving.
So when you going back with us, describe the shit to me, because you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be
straight up.
Yeah, describe it all.
I still can't like really look over my shoulder. I be go.
Yeah.
Like he pull you that way.
But you know what? So I rented a tour road to C7 Vet. I took my brother's 911 back, right? You know, dropped it off with him. And that drive though did get me, well, I was able to really feel, you know what I'm saying, like how good that car is.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I was pretty impressed, man. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
like that might be the move. You know, and then it allowed me to keep the Audi too.
For sure.
Yeah. The Audi is weird because it ain't the fastest, but that's like the car guys shit.
Right.
Every time I pull up somewhere, the car guys come out the woodwork.
Right.
I was just saying, I already signed up for the website. We're gonna make it happen.
Good shit.
That's why I did all this so big, so I can't be comfortable. I got to keep going hard.
Right. That precedent's been set, man. The thing is, what's most important, folks, like you inspiring boys, man, like for real.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people watching, and you know what I'm saying? Like, you had that little small percentage of those hating ass niggas showing up, but you know, the real folks, they saying, man.
And that's what you do it for. You know what I'm saying? Like, I realized that even the hate helps you grow, but that love spreads you further though.
That's
you know
right.
what I'm saying? Like, and that's what it's all about. That come with it. You got to know that hate come with it. Like, you can't look at nobody. They still talk about Jay-Z every day.
Yeah.
Like, he ain't Jay-Z. They talk about LeBron is the most hated player in the NBA.
Yeah.
They took a poll that where they voted him as. That man just became a billionaire today, they said. First person to become a billionaire, active billionaire in any league.
Damn.
Yeah, and they hate them. Man, it's this Space Jam. They mad at him.
Exactly.
Man, come on, man. So it come with it, man. If you'll be mad at me, I'm living like this and I'm doing me and I know what's going on internally and people that rock with me, I accept it.
Like as a side note, like with that color and those, I feel like I'm animated. Like I'm in one of them anime, like
I'm trying to tell you.
Anime.
That's what I said. I'm God did the cartoon, the God of cars.
It's the tire stickers that do it.
Yeah,
man.
like wait till all the raps get done, right? So imagine that when I'm doing a big old colorful like spider on there, like a tarantula, colorful spider on there. That one's gonna be like a money theme, so it's gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? All type of different monies from currency from all over the world. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's prosperity. And of course, you know,
put some crypto on there too.
I've got you. That's a good one. That's a good one. And this one, of course, is the gargoyle, and that slime squash, like a big old slimy Sasquatch. So imagine that I control him like Mr. Organic God of Cars, like Cerberus, boom, and wake up. You see what I'm saying?
Yep.
So that would feel like a video game. If
Yeah,
I'm gonna make it a video
real.
game, cartoon, movie, we're gonna do all that.
Manifest.
Mark my words. So yeah, man.
Hell yeah.
There they go, man. Which one? Where's my pocket, man?
I'm gonna put with the AMG.
AMG GT?
Yeah, because you know what I'm saying, get my little test drive on.
Oh yeah, you might get him.
Yeah, I'm really like, we got that jump there, that's an option. And then this too.
Put that big old spoiler on there.
That fixed wing is dope. Man.
I just had to get a new tire.
Yeah, I saw that, man.
I forgot I did burnouts and stuff in them, so. Yeah, so it's all good. Waiting on my Forgiatos, gotta grab those. Hopefully they'll be back next week. Doors is everything.
I don't know how to get in this motherfucker.
Right there. That's why I picked this joint.
Yeah, man, I did the 650.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't know if you saw it on the channel. We did the
720 got that up there. 720 and the P1s and all the top ones only got the extra door meat. You know what I'm saying? That's how you know you got that one. Separate yourself from the pack, man. Spaceship. That guy right there.
Who's driving
Who
this?
the hell was driving that?
This ain't right.
Oh,
yeah.
I ain't drove since shit. I'm like, what the hell?
That's right. He was on the
Somebody
channel.
was in here clowning.
Yeah.
No, she was a damn midget.
God damn. I mean, that's...
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, this is so much easier to get into. When I get the 650, I feel like I was going.
Yeah, and this one easy because it got the extra top off the roof come off.
Yeah, I hit my head on the ceiling in the 650. Man.
Crazy, dog.
That's a real, like, you feel like you're that's the epitome of a spaceship.
Yeah.
That one feel. Drive like it, sound like it, everything.
Yeah. And you know, orange is like their signature color.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep, 100% right.
Yeah, y'all look at this key,
Check it out
man.
to the T.
Space age.
Yep.
The whole car is like from the year 3000.
That shit is dope, Bowers and Wilkins.
Man, if you ever blessed to be able to get one of these, man, you know you've arrived. You've made it. Like,
Yeah, for sure. 720 is pure supercar. Only thing about them, you going hyper.
Yeah.
Yeah, you 720, it's a wrap.
Yeah, this is on some other shit. Bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, like straight up, this is on some other shit.
You ain't driven until you driven the Ferrari 488.